You want to eat healthy today? Come to Salad House. My name is Jared Bravo. I am Director of Operations and partner with Salad House Franchising. We have 11 locations and we are opening about 10 more. We do have our own mobile ordering and app. We use Uber Direct to take all our deliveries, and within 20 minutes, we have a driver at our store ready to take their food. The customer gets a text, they can see exactly where their food is, when it's been picked up. People want to take out or they want to deliver, and they're not opposed to paying that extra fee to come there anymore. The Uber Eats app has been a major factor in all our openings. It's a great marketing tool to reach customers that never even heard about you before. And the sponsored listings for me has been the number one. Run a promotion with the sponsored listing and the orders are going to flow through. We always run two promotions, one for existing customers and one for new customer retention. We typically look for a 5 times ROI on any of the promotions we run, and we usually hit anywhere from 6 to 7 with Uber Eats. Managing restaurants is a very tough business. We're a firm believer that if you're not on the third-party train, you're not going to succeed, especially in today's environment.